So now come to question number 24. Exercise 1, phase 2, ellipse. Very important problem and bit difficult. Tangent to the ellipse, tangent to this ellipse meets this ellipse. So what is this ellipse? Write in the form x square upon a into a plus b plus y square upon b into a plus b is equal to 1. Tangent to this ellipse. So these are two ellipses. One is this ellipse number 1 and this is ellipse number 2. This meets this ellipse in 2 points P and Q. Prove that tangents at P and Q, tangents at P and Q, this angle is 90 degree. What will be the method? 90 degrees. So immediately one idea must come. Okay, this has something to do with the diameter circle of the ellipse number 2. So this is P, this is R, you can call R, H, comma, K. So with respect to, I have to find locus of this. So with respect to this ellipse number 2, this is the chord of contact. So chord of contact is T is equal to 0 with respect to this ellipse. This is ellipse number 2. This is ellipse number 1. So chord of contact, so equation of PQ will be T is equal to 0. That means Hx upon A into A plus B plus Ky into A, B into A plus B to 1. This is the chord of contact. Now this is touching this. So write this in the form of Ky upon B into A plus B is equal to minus Hx upon A into A plus B plus 1. So y is equal to multiply by B into A plus B H B x upon K plus B into A plus B upon K. So y is equal to mx plus c. Now this line is touching first circle, first ellipse. First ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square. So direct c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. C is this. So c square b square upon a square into a plus b whole square. C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Remember, this is the m and this is the c. This is the c. Is equal to a square m square. This is the m. So h square b square upon k square plus is b square. B square. A square m square plus b square. So b square will cancel out, I think, everywhere. So a plus b whole square upon k square is equal to a square h square plus k square upon k square. So b square mx plus c, b square a plus b whole square upon k square. C is equal to a square, m square will be h square b square upon k square. Square m square, c square equal to a square m square plus b square. So b square is cancelling. And k square will go this side. So a plus b whole square is equal to a square h square plus k square. K square will cancel. C square is equal to, just check this formulas here. Ky upon b into a plus b is equal to minus hx upon a into a plus b plus 1. Multiply by b into a plus b. A plus b cancel. B upon a. Okay, so here a will be left. That was the problem. This. So here is c square is equal to c square a square m square. M square means a square. So this a square will go. So this will go. So you will have h square plus k square is equal to a plus b whole square. So x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2ab I'm writing ab plus ab. So this can be done as a into a plus b into a plus b. That means x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. This is the here. See, for the second ellipse, this is the a square, this is b square, x square upon a square plus, so x square plus y square is equal to a square plus b square. This is the a square for this ellipse, this is the b square. This is the equation of director circle. That means point P lies, this R lies on the director circle. H square plus k square is equal to this. That is why from the director circle, if we draw tangent, there will be right angle. So this chord PQ will subtend the right angle at HK. Thank you.